Waking up today, I see a lot of buzz around Hashflow crypto, and when I checked CoinMarketCap, I saw Hashflow trending at the 5th spot, which kinda shows that we are really bullish. This is because since Hashflow got launched and listed in 2022, it's been dropping in price. Well, there is good news today because Hashflow is up about 50% in just 24 hours and it is trading at about 11 cents. With a market cap of $70 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $208 million. Starting with the price data from CoinMarketCap, Hashflow is up 54.97% in 24-hour, which is a significant jump. Volume is up 653%, so there's a lot of trading activity. Market cap increased by 55%, which makes sense with the price surge. Looking at the technical analysis, the RSI 14 is 50.74, which is neutral. The MACD histogram is positive, suggesting bullish momentum. Fibonacci retracement levels show resistance around $0.092 to $0.111, so the price might be testing these levels. Now, the news articles and social media mentions. There's a recurring theme of Solana integration. Binance completed HFT integration on Solana back in June 2025, which allowed deposits and withdrawals via Solana. This likely improved liquidity and accessibility. Also, Hashflow's recent partnerships, like with Jupiter and Camino, are mentioned. These integrations probably boosted trading volume and user adoption. Another key point from the news is the clarification on token unlocks. On July 1st, 2025, Hashflow announced that 75% of team and investor tokens would unlock linearly over 3 to 5 years with no cliffs. This transparency might have alleviated fears of sudden sell-offs, increasing investor confidence. There's also mention of high trading volume and technical breakouts. Articles note that HFT broke out of a descending wedge pattern, which is a bullish signal. The surge in volume, 25x average, supports the price movement, indicating strong buying pressure. Social media posts highlight Hashflow's role as a liquidity layer in DeFi, emphasizing their RFQ model, which offers zero slippage and MEV protection. This could attract more users looking for efficient trading. Recent tweets also mention increased HFT strategies on platforms like Orderly Network, suggesting institutional interest. The global crypto market is up 0.93% in 24H. But HFT's rise is much higher, indicating it's outperforming the market. The altcoin season index is at 40, up 21.21% in 24H, showing capital rotation into altcoins, which might be contributing. The main drivers seem to be the Solana integration improving accessibility, transparent tokenomics reducing sell-off risks, technical breakout attracting traders, and overall positive market sentiment towards altcoins. The combination of these factors likely fueled the price surge. Now, do I believe Hashflow is going to $1? I think so because that was the listing price, but I do not think it would happen this year 2025. But well, if we see an increase in altcoin, maybe Hashflow can just explode and get to this benchmark. I will keep updating you guys about HFT coin, so I would advise you to subscribe to my channel. Now, let's talk about Hashflow in details. Hashflow is a decentralized exchange focusing on interoperability, zero slippage, and MEV-protected trades. It allows traders to trade any asset on any chain in seconds by connecting their wallets. It's a multi-chain DEX that operates on Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, and Arbitrum. Unlike many other exchanges, Hashflow charges no commission and executes all trades at the displayed price. According to the project, users are not bothered by slippage or minor extractable value front-running their trades and executing them at worse prices. Hashflow engages users with its Hashverse, a gamified, storyverse-driven DAO, where you can stake tokens, complete quests, and earn HFT and unique NFTs in the process. Hashflow was launched by CEO Varun Kumar, a San Francisco-based blockchain entrepreneur who previously worked for the German Aerospace Center, Udacity, and NASA. He deferred his PhD in aeronautics and astronautics at Stanford University. CTO Victor Ionescu is a Romanian tech specialist with a computer science degree from Oxford. He previously worked at Airbnb, Facebook, and Google. Hashflow closed its series of funding round in July 2022, raising $25 million from Jump Crypto, Wintermute Trading, Electric Capital, Dragonfly Capital Partners, and Balaji Srinivasan. Other investors include Coinbase Ventures, Kraken Ventures, Ledger Prime, GSR, Kronos Research, Autonomy, Meltem Demirors, Anthony Sassano, and Jason Choi. Hashflow emphasizes that it takes a different approach from regular decentralized exchanges relying on an automated market maker. The exchange stresses that AMMs are capital inefficient, routinely prone to risks like sandwich attacks and impermanent loss, and cannot price non-spot assets. Instead, Hashflow employs a pricing approach called a request for quote RFQ model. In an RFQ model, professional market makers manage liquidity pools and liquidity providers enjoy previously unknown efficiency and security. In particular, the exchange moves pricing off-chain, allowing them to factor in data like historic asset prices and volatility. This leads to more efficiently priced assets and, consequently, to a better trading experience for users. More precisely, users benefit from pricing. Since prices are formed off-chain, on-chain spreads are tighter. Zero slippage. All quotes are executed at the displayed price. MEV resistance. Cryptographic signatures make front-running impossible. Bridgeless cross-chain swaps. Traders can swap across chains without relying on third-party bridges.